guys, welcome back to another chapter of Unfolding Kate. If you're new here, I'm Kate. So this is a safe space where we talk about healing, faith, growth, and the lessons life teaches us, one chapter at a time. Okay, so today's chapter is something I had to learn the hard way. Protecting your peace isn't selfish, it's necessary. For the longest time, akala ko kapag mabait ka, kailangan lagi kang available. Kailangan lagi kang umiintindi, kailangan lagi kang nagbibigay ng second chance. At kapag hindi mo ginawa yon, pakiramdam mo, ikaw ang masama. But growing up taught me something different. Peace is also a responsibility, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para rin sa mga taong mahal mo. Because when you're constantly emotionally exhausted, you slowly lose the best version of yourself. And I know that feeling. There was a season in my life where I kept trying to fix everything, relationships, friendships, people, situations. I thought if I just loved harder, if I became more patient, if I explained myself better, maybe things would change. But you know what's sad? I spent so much time trying to keep the peace with everyone else that I completely lost my own. Hindi ko namalayan na habang inuuna kong intindihin ng ibang tao, ako naman yung unti-unting napapagod. I was constantly overthinking. Okay ba siya? May mali ba akong nasabi? Should I explain myself again? Until one day, I asked myself, who's taking care of me? Kasi habang lahat ng energy ko napupunta sa ibang tao, wala nang natitira para sa sarili ko. And that's when I realized, not everything is yours to carry. Some people will misunderstand you. Some people will leave. Some people will never see your heart. And that's okay. Huwag kang matakot. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. You don't have to explain every decision. You don't have to convince everyone that you're a good person. The people who truly know you won't require endless explanations. One thing I've learned as I grow older is that not everyone deserves unlimited access to your heart. Hindi dahil masama sila. Sometimes hindi lang talaga sila para sa season ng buhay mo. And again, that's okay. We outgrow people. We outgrow places. We even outgrow old versions of ourselves. And that doesn't make us bad people, you know? It simply means we're growing. Isa sa pinakamahalagang natutunan ko nitong mga nakaraang taon is that peace isn't found in controlling people. Peace is found in surrendering what you cannot control. O, di ba? Walang edit to guys ha. Pasensya na. At para sa akin, dun ko mas lalo nakilala si God. Because every time I tried to control everything, I became anxious. But every time I surrendered, I found peace. Di ba? Laki ng difference nun. Hindi man agad nawala ang problema, pero gumana ang puso ko. Protecting your peace doesn't mean you stopped loving people. It simply means you finally started loving yourself too. There are people you'll always love, but from a distance. Hindi dahil wala ka ng pakialam, kundi dahil natutunan mong minsan, love doesn't always mean access. Minsan, ang pagmamahal ay panalangin na lang. Minsan, ang pagmamahal ay pagpapaubaya. Teka lang, wait na. Ba't pa parang ako naluluha dito? May nag-flashback sa akin. Naiyak ako. At minsan, ang pagmamahal ay pagpili ng katahimikan kesa paulit-ulit na sakit. At alam mo, hindi selfish ang mag-set ng boundaries. Hindi rin selfish ang magpahinga. Hindi selfish ang lumayo sa mga bagay na unti-unti kang inuubos. Sometimes, choosing peace is also choosing healing. And healing is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. If you're watching this today, maybe this is your gentle reminder. You don't have this, you don't need everyone's approval. Ulitin ko guys, walang edit to ha. You don't need to fix everyone and you don't have to carry everything alone. Before I end this chapter, I just want to remind you of something. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you choose every single day. You choose what conversations deserve your energy. You choose who gets access to your heart. You choose what you allow to stay in your life. And every time you choose peace, you're also choosing yourself. And I hope you never feel guilty for that again. Thank you for spending another chapter with me. I'm Kate, and this is Unfolding Kate. See you in the next chapter. Bye.